offline music player application is one of the most coolest I have ever seen, and that's because it is very minimal and it is folder based. There is no settings icon anywhere for you to make some app changes. It is a one-page, completely ad-free offline music player application with a now playing section below the files and folders where you'll be playing your music from. The only settings you can make is switching between repeat options and also shuffle modes. Next and previous tracks has its toggle at the bottom section. You can fast track the current playing song by just swiping left or right on the song cover. This app is called Minimalist Music Player, very fast and easy to use. It is also free on the Google Play Store. On to the next application, we have Smart News, and this application is basically a news application but has some cool unique features which makes it easier to navigate. Installing the app for the first time, you get to choose what categories of information you would like your feed to be filled with, and in addition, you get to choose the topics or celebrities you are interested in seeing and reading more news about. The best part of this application is the satisfying tab switching animation. It is definitely an attractive feature. Once you read an article on this application and want to delve deeper, there are links within the article to take you to external sources where you can know more about what you are reading. So for those of you who would like to read and know more about what's going on around the world, this app is an all-in-one news application for you to give it a try. Another fantastic application you can use on your Android device is this tools application called Thule. This app is an all-in-one tools application with different set of tools like image tools where you can resize, edit, crop images and others when it comes to photo transformation. There's also text tools where you can get unique font styles, decorate text, use emojis to create a word and so much more. You get calculation tools, color tools, unit converter and other tools which you might have to install in individual applications to be able to perform the functions this all-in-one application provides. This application has integrated all these, and so with just this app, you have access to different useful tools. One thing I like about this application is the easy-to-use app interface. You might expect a complicated UI since there are so many tools to use here, but with this UI it is well designed, and trust me, if you haven't used this application before, then you must give it a try. When it comes to adding realistic effects to photos, then an application that has always been on my device for more than 6 years now is called Distortions or LD Photo Editor. This application contains some amazing photo effects and overlays which you can add onto your photos and create more professional look to it. There are many types of overlays you can use, and you can unlock even more when you upgrade to the paid version of this application. You are open to color layers, light rays, and photo effects which you can use to turn raw images into a more cinematic looking image. You must be very good with image editing or have good eyes or insight in photo editing to pull out some incredibly edited images. And even if you have less insight on photo editing, you can still add up some light overlays and other elements to create nicely edited images as well. The app is free on the Google Play Store, so definitely check it out. If you've joined any beta program or become a beta tester in any of the apps on your device, then you definitely enjoy some new features of the application which is not officially released for everyone to use. So if you also want to enjoy new app features before it is officially rolled out, then this application called Beta Maniac is an application you should be using. This application notifies you of any beta program available, that is with the apps you've installed on your device. Also, you get to know and manage the applications you are already part of its beta program. In the participation tab, you get to see the list of apps with beta programs available, and with just one tap, you become a beta tester. So not that you are going to receive any awards or free gift cards. By joining beta programs of applications, you get to test and enjoy features of the application which are not open for users outside the beta program to enjoy. If you are familiar with the style of Niagara launcher and you love using the launcher, then check out Niagara Widgets. This widget pack contains some beautiful widgets. They are all very minimal and clean. About 90% of the widget has this transparent style, and so if you can use Niagara launcher and customize it very well, you shouldn't go past this widget pack. You can use this pack through KWGT, so you can customize your home screen with other launchers. Give it a try and create some awesome home screen setups with these beautiful widgets. Recently, Launcher released Learnicons 2.0 or Learn Icons, and the news around it is not only can it be used with Launcher launcher, but it's now an icon pack that can be used on any other third-party launcher. And of course, the look and feel of this icon pack is very nice, very clean and minimal, although it does not apply to all the applications on my phone, including some popular apps which I expected it to be applied on. But that aside, I love to use this icon pack because of its simplicity. It is not on the Google Play Store. I'll leave the link to the Launcher Telegram channel for you to download this icon pack. If you want to know more about some incredible Android applications or find refreshing applications to use, I suggest you click on the card at the top right corner to watch the video for more best Android apps. And if you enjoyed this video, I also suggest you leave a like on the video, and my last suggestion will be consider subscribing to my channel for more best Android apps videos. As always, thank you for watching.